Easy way to dust the nooks and crannies of your car. Awesome. Worth every penny. Used on tons of stuff. Stayed together and did not break apart. Love the suctions. Love this. Works great in the vents and little crevices of the car. Like the product. Easy for cleaning nooks and crannies of the car. This product is great to clean the interior of your car, keyboards, etc. Easy to use, and even kinda fun. Highly recommend this product. I went into my husband's office and said look, he asked if our grandkids left that, and I cleaned his computer keyboard. After darn he said hide it. Great cleaning tool and even better during our pandemic, super quick and easy to use. I love it. I used it where my air can had been used and this picked up all remaining dust and dirt. I use this on my car and works perfect. Super fun to play with also, haha. Works as marketed, great tool to have in your car to clean up dust. Click link in description for more reviews.